welcome back to another Gaming with the Bros video. So today we're playing Extreme Car Driving. It's a big new update and I downloaded this mod that can give me lots of money. So I'm still working on getting the Cybertruck. Yeah, it's actually beautiful. No, I just need to get my distance and some more of its collection, then I get the Cybertruck. So I'll be using the Lamborghini. It's a personal favorite car, but mostly I'm more of a Bugatti fan. And I also like the Koenigsegg, but this one I use a Lamborghini. So I still need to get my solo mode, but it's still traffic mod. So it's kind of different from the olden times. So it's gonna explore how it has changed. You can see a new garage, this is a parking lot. Here's nothing changed. But the place still changed the garages. Even the buttons have changed. And everything has changed. Nothing here much. Oh, it means there's paddle shifters. That's cool. Let's see what's inside the garage. So you can make your car have mega skins. Also over here, it's dope though. Oh, you can actually change cars. Could I just see the Koenigsegg? Just change cars, change the line into the garage. So we actually continue right now. That's so cool. This car is cool. This car is cool, guys. You also be playing GTA 5. I also make an unboxing video. I just ordered it because it's on its way. Yeah, so I can't wait until I get my GTA. It's literally like my favorite game. I'm also gonna be installing mods. And guys, I'll be doing the impossible, trying to install mods without a PC. So guys, mostly people install mods with PC, but I'll be using my Xbox just like that. So it's gonna be really hard. But you know, it's gonna be tough, but I know I can do it. Okay guys, I'm wrecking every time. I'll just go to the airport. I still get so much love. We didn't post on Saturday because of the busy schedule we had, so we didn't post the video. So guys, apologies for Mondo Cool, but he will post. Let's move on. I really like the Cybertruck. So let's get into the airport. Ooh, that's lit. Let's see how the airport is changed. I think it's just the garage. I don't know, inside planes. Planes are the same, nothing much changed. I actually like this game a lot. But the thing is that I won't be working hard for money anymore. If we can get 5 likes, I will edit the description and put how to download it. Or just a tutorial for you guys. So please do that. Please, guys, get me get 30 subscribers by the end of this week, guys. Please help us. Oh my gosh. No. I hope you happy. Okay. It doesn't get involved the connect zag. I'm gonna go garage and change it. And this is, guys, this is great features. It's not lie. Okay. Ooh. Okay, this connects is fire. Yeah, I have to give that. But do I get it? Okay, so this is the car I really want. I can't get it even if you have $1 billion mod or $1 million mod. I'm gonna drive this one now. Give a car that'll make me happy, make a smile. Okay, maybe the Mercedes. Let me check out the cars. Cars. Oh, I wanted this car, but nah, I just got this game. Maybe this car. The Lambo. It's looking fresh right now. Maybe this one, yeah. I'll just drive the buggy. Yeah, I'll just drive it. I'm gonna go to oh guys, no supposed to be a truck. But it's kind of mixed vehicle. There's actually no one in the car, so it's kind of creepy. This car is not that fast, but it is quick. Let's just go where we need to go, where it belongs, in the dust. I do like this car, guys. It's super cool. Here, it's actually doing so well. It's better than driving a Lamborghini. Yeah. What's that? Oh, Cybertruck. Come on. Yeah, this is the car. I'm so chilled right here, guys. Okay, no. I must say, the handle is very good. But I think it knows where it belongs to. So. Please comment down. What's your favorite car? Just want to know. Guys, we haven't been posting like Xbox videos. But we will. Just wait for the right time and also having to take this. That's mostly the world's favorite game. You know what's called that I should take? I think it should be the Mustang. It's changed into a beautiful car. No! I'm taking that. Yes. That giver I will take it. It will be me. Guys, I didn't even drive the Lamborghini that long. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, I'm taking it. Nice. I'll take this car. This is for maybe one day I might buy it for real. You guys subscribe. Ooh, that was a nice car. Just try not to hit anyone. Hit anything. Yeah, that was fantastic. Not hit anyone or anything. What's he doing? Oh, I lost the challenge, guys. But not that bad. If we hit 3 times, well, I suck. Yo, that was so close. So far, we just hit once. We hit 3 times, then we lose. Oh, okay, number two. Just one more and then I'm losing the challenge. No, guys. Okay, yeah, guys, I suck. So I'm just gonna wreck everyone now. I lost the challenge, I'm wrecking everyone. Anyone comes in my way, I will kill you. On my way. How dare you challenge me? You're mocking me. How dare you think of my car and the key? I missed it. Well, it's okay. I'm not doing very well when I'm breaking people back. But when I decide to reform and bumping people back, how dare you challenge my car and the car is slow. Never make a trip. guys, where am I? Yo, guys, this is amazing. Guys, I'm in a place I've never been before. Wow. Guys, I think I should have came here long ago. This is awesome. Some people say this is a secret place. There's no one secret. So I will come with my other cars. How did they get up? Let me try. No! Oh, let me go into their house. Yo, guys, you literally cannot go over here. Like, wow. Okay. That was good drifting. This place looks mysterious. Okay, I think I'm gonna wrap up this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. That's it.